Step-by-step guide to transfer $80,000 from a 401k to a physical gold IRA rollover without penalty. Transferring your 401k funds to a physical gold IRA can help diversify your retirement portfolio, but it's important to follow the proper steps to avoid penalties. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to help you smoothly transfer $80,000 from your 401k to a physical gold IRA. 1. Review your 401k plan. Check if your current 401k allows rollovers to an IRA. 2. Research IRA custodians. Find a custodian that specializes in physical gold IRAs. Look for good fees, storage options, and customer reviews. 3. Open a self-directed IRA. Set up a self-directed IRA with your chosen custodian to gain control over your gold investments. 4. Start the rollover process. Contact your 401k administrator for a direct rollover to your new IRA. 5. Choose IRS-approved gold. Select IRS-approved gold products like American Gold Eagles or Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. 6. Select an approved depository. Choose a secure, IRS-approved depository to store your gold. 7. Fund your IRA. Once the rollover is complete, use your funds to buy gold within your IRA. 8. No storage fees. Understand the storage and maintenance fees for holding your gold. 9. Stay IRS compliant. Follow IRS rules, such as not taking possession of the gold yourself. 10. Review regularly. Periodically review your gold investment to ensure it meets your retirement goals. By following these steps, you can transfer your 401k funds into a physical gold IRA without penalties. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.